As our world faces growing challenges in food production, water scarcity, and land use, farmers and scientists alike are exploring innovative ways to grow food. Hydroponics, a revolutionary soil-free farming method, is changing the way we think about agriculture. Today, we'll dive into how hydroponics differs from traditional farming, using two well-loved crops as examples: spinach and strawberries. In traditional farming, spinach is grown directly in the soil. Farmers must carefully till the land, prepare it, and add fertilizers to ensure the spinach plants get enough nutrients. Rainfall or irrigation is essential to keep the plants hydrated. Spinach crops are often subject to pests, disease, and changes in the weather. This process requires extensive labor, water, and sometimes pesticides to keep pests at bay. Spinach, being a leafy green, is especially vulnerable to soil-borne pathogens, which means it must be harvested and washed thoroughly before it reaches our plates. In a hydroponic system, spinach can be grown without soil. Instead, it receives nutrients directly from a water-based solution enriched with minerals, eliminating the need for traditional fertilizers. In this controlled environment, plants grow faster and more evenly, using up to 90% less water than soil-grown spinach. The closed-loop system means water is reused, conserving this precious resource. This setup not only reduces water use but also minimizes exposure to soil-borne diseases, resulting in healthier, fresher produce. Strawberries, another crop requiring careful care, are also traditionally grown in soil. Cultivating strawberries demands rich, well-draining soil, ample sunlight, and regular watering. These fields require substantial land, and weeds often compete with strawberry plants for nutrients. Strawberries are sensitive to weather changes. Too much rain can damage the fruit, while a dry spell can reduce yields. Pesticides are commonly used to protect these delicate fruits from pests, but this can impact the surrounding environment and water sources. In hydroponics, strawberries can grow in a controlled, pesticide-free environment. Each plant has access to precisely calibrated nutrients, water, and even optimized light, allowing it to thrive regardless of weather conditions. The controlled environment promotes quicker growth cycles, with strawberries yielding fresh fruit several times throughout the year. Hydroponic strawberries are less vulnerable to external threats, requiring little to no chemical intervention, meaning cleaner, healthier produce. Hydroponics offers unique advantages over traditional farming. Water use is drastically reduced, minimizing waste and preserving vital resources. Plants grow faster, more efficiently, and in far less space, which is crucial as arable land becomes limited. Additionally, with less reliance on pesticides and soil, hydroponic farming creates an eco-friendly alternative that can thrive in urban settings, making fresh produce more accessible in places where farming might otherwise be impossible. Hydroponic farming also supports environmental sustainability by reducing the carbon footprint associated with traditional farming practices. With renewable energy integrations like solar power, hydroponics can offer a greener solution for future food needs. While traditional farming has been the backbone of food production for centuries, hydroponics represents an exciting evolution in agriculture. By offering a resource-efficient, sustainable way to grow nutritious produce like spinach and strawberries, hydroponics could be the key to a more resilient and sustainable food system. As we face an uncertain future with limited resources, the choice between traditional and hydroponic farming may not be either-or, but rather how we can combine these approaches to nourish our world responsibly. At FarmSphere Innovations, we're committed to bringing the future of sustainable farming to life. By championing hydroponic techniques, we're not only conserving water and space but also providing high-quality produce in regions facing water scarcity and harsh growing conditions, like Rajasthan. Our initiative goes beyond just farming. At FarmSphere, we empower local communities with knowledge and resources to adopt hydroponics, creating new opportunities and supporting economic growth. Through our passion for sustainable agriculture, we're making it possible to grow healthier food, reduce environmental impact, and shape a resilient food system for generations to come. Join us in revolutionizing agriculture with FarmSphere Innovations, where we're growing not just plants, but a better tomorrow.